I'm going to restyle my recipe cards, and I thought that I could share how I do it and take you along in case you want to adopt this method for yourself. You will soon find out as to why I'm giving my recipe cards a new look, and I'm very excited about it. This here is an acrylic display that is normally used to display some flyers or promotional pieces. I got it off of Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description along with all other tools and material that I'm using. As you can see, it has holes in case you want to attach it to the wall. Here you can see some examples of my recipe cards that are available for my patrons. I did laminate them because that way, if you spill liquids or oils on it, you can simply wipe it clean. Here's another version of laminated recipes that I binded with a coil. I used the We Are Memory Keepers cinch for it. For the ones that know me, I love the We Are Memory Keepers products in general. But for now, we will concentrate on the recipe cards as such. Before starting, I need to figure out the size of my cards based on the lamination foils that I have. I just measure it out so I can create a document with the correct dimensions. I use an online program called Canva for practically everything, be it labels, recipes, thumbnails, video presentations, and so much more. It's great because you don't need any design experience, and you can start designing from various templates and adjust your designs accordingly. Canva has a free version, however the paid subscription offers unlimited access to all medias and features. Like for example the amazing background remover, just to mention one of them. You can use the Pro subscription for 30 days for free using my link in the description, by the way. I created my recipe cards from scratch, and as always my patrons can access to my templates within Canva and then use it as is or adjust it accordingly to their own needs, for example changing the measuring units to ounces and so forth. Here are the recipe cards I actually created and saved within the program. They are just a bit blurred for privacy reasons. I'm not going into details of how to use the program, but there are other videos that I will link below. But here's just a short clip for the last recipe that I need to make. The program is really intuitive. Now I'm ready to download all pages and then print it out so we can make the laminated cards. I'm not sure if the camera picks up the fact that the recipe cards are slightly gray, so I can determine where they actually need to be cut. You can also use a trim board if you prefer. Now it's time to actually laminate them. Here's the lamination machine. The red light indicates that we can start laminating. I just open the foil and place the recipe the way I want it to be. In some cases I like to make a two-sided card. Let's say you have two different mold sizes that you often do, or a similar recipe, like in this case. Here's a laundry soap recipe, and on the other side it's the laundry detergent recipe. Then I just run it through the laminator. It goes rather quick. Laminated documents are great for soap making and skincare making, but also for other projects because they are protected. In my case, I like to have different colors for different products, so I can identify it easily. I also add them to different levels inside of this display depending on the different categories that I have. Like, for example, collecting all soap making recipe in one place, and then all man products in another one, all skincare products, and so forth. Of course, everyone has a different type of system or a different type of categorization, but essential is that you can easily work with it and identify it. This system works amazing for me, and you are welcome to use it for yourself. If you're interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye!